high, what will be the value of x, given that you have 8 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of x equals 130? Then let's have it to be solution. Let's have 8 to be in base 2 as 2 to the power of 3, all in bracket, to the power of x plus 2 to the power of x equals 130. Then from here, remember that when you have this, we can interchange the power to be as 2 to the power of x, all in bracket, to the power of 3 plus 2 to the power of x equals 130. Then from here, remember that we have 2 to the power of x in common. So let's 2 to the power of x to be equals y. So this implies we are going to have y to the power of 3. Here will be plus y equals 130. Then remember that when you have minus 25y plus 26y, we give you y. So therefore, let's put it here. Then we are going to have y to the power of 3 minus 25y plus 26y. Then we have everything to be equals 130. Then let's group them as y to the power of 3 minus 25y as this. Then let's pick this and this as 26y minus 130. Then we close it. Then let's set everything to be equal 0. I think y is common. We can factor it out as y. Here will remain y squared minus 25. 26 is also common here. We have 26. Here will remain y. Here will remain 5. Then we set everything to be equal 0. Let's have this in base 5 as y will be outside into the bracket of y squared minus 5 to the power of 2 plus 26 into y minus 5. Then we set everything to be equal 0. This is the difference of 2 squared. And remember, when you have a squared minus b squared equals as a plus b, all in brackets, multiplied by a minus b, all in brackets. So by applying it here, we are going to have y to be outside. Here will be y plus 5, again multiplied by y minus 5, all in bracket. Then plus 26 into y minus 5, and everything equals 0. So now, when looking at this expression, we can see that we have y minus 5 in common. So let's factor it out as y minus 5. The whole of this expression divided by this. Let's open the bracket. We only have y into y plus 5, all in bracket left. The whole of this divided by this, we have only plus 26. Then everything equals 0. Then we have y minus 5. Here will be, open the bracket, y squared plus 5y plus 26 equals 0. Now, what are we trying to say here is that for this expression to be equal 0, is either we have y minus 5 equals 0, or we have y squared plus 5y plus 26 to be equal 0. Then let us now from here we are going to have, let's say case 1, we have y minus 5 to be equal 0. Then it implies we have y to be equals 5. Then let's say case 2. Then we have y squared plus 5y plus 26 equals 0. Then let's test, because we're actually looking for the real solution. We have d to be equals b squared minus 4ac, where we are going to have our d to be equals the coefficients of y is our b. So here will be 5 squared, then minus 4. The coefficient of y squared is our a, 1. Y, this constant, is 26. So we have d to be equals 25 minus this multiplied by this will give us 104. Then from here we have this one to be minus 79, which is less than 0. So this less than 0, it implies that no real solution. Then we consider only y equals 5. But then we have 2 to the power of x to be equals y, and y equals 5. When we introduce log, we are going to have log 2 to the power of x equals log 5. So we have x multiplied by log 2 equals log 5. So when you divide through by log 2, this and this will cancel. So we have our x to be equals log 5 divided by log 2. Don't recall, when you have log a divided by log b, this will be equals log of a in base of b. So by applying it here, we can finally write our x to be equals log 5 in base 2. So this is the final answer for the value of x, log of 5 in base 2. So if you are new here and find this video interesting, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more math tutorial videos. And we can check, and here are the steps. So to check, then we have x to be equals log 5 in base 2. So here will be 8 to the power of log 5 in base 2 plus 2 to the power of log 5 in base 2. Then it's going to give you 130. So when looking at this, we have 2 to the power of 3 multiplied by log 5 in base 2, as this 2 to the power of log 5 in base 2 is going to give us 130. Now, let's take this one back. We have 2 to the power of log 5 to the power of 2, log of 5 to the power of 2 in base 2. Then this and this have the same base. We are going to left with, or let's have it as 2 to the power of log 5 in base 2. Then it's going to give us 130. Remember that when you have a to the power of log b in base a, the output will be equals b, this. So here will be, they have the same base as this, the output will be equals this one, 5 to the power of 2, sorry, 5 to the power of 3. Plus this and this are the same, the output will be equals 5, which equals 130.